Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix nerving people not showing up on Telegram. So let's start. So if you don't have this function, it's supposed that it's a new feature from Instagram. However, this feature is not for everyone or is not available in the countries. In fact, the only option that you have for Instagram is Nervy Business, but for people no, because of course that's privacy from users, so you don't have that option. If you want to find for example a business, you can find it, but the people, it's impossible right now to find it. So the only way to do it is by username, and you write your username, but you can see if the people is close near to you. So that's the way, guys. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.